So full right now. I have been wanting to do 75 hard, but honestly I can probably even do it. It's just the hard after 75 that's kind of intimidating me. If it just said 75 days, I would be able to do it. If you miss a day in 75 hard, you have to like go back to day one. But we'll see, because a lot of people are coming out with like 75 soft and then 75 medium. I'm probably gonna do 75 soft actually, and want to start journaling and then be consistent with it. Used to journal a lot back in like 08, 09. Found my journal today while I was looking for a specific book thing that says journal, and I'm like, what is this? Because I completely forgot about it. Blocked from my memory. I open it and read every single page, and I was going through it. I was going through it those 2 years. I have changed into a maxi, and you will never not find me in a maxi when I'm home.
Getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun.
I have the worst headache right now. I think I'm just gonna end the vlog here today, just because I have a massive headache.